Have you ever wondered how someone is able to teach so effectively on rounds or at the whiteboard? How they break down complex topics effortlessly into concise, engaging, and memorable bites? Teaching scripts are a tool that allow you to do just that. Teaching scripts are short, digestible schemas which great teachers draw on when they hear a trigger, like hypoxia or shock. For example, if a learner presents a patient with new onset anemia, the educator then pulls open their brain's filing cabinet of teaching scripts, identifies what teaching points are relevant in the moment, and then teaches. All great teaching scripts are composed of 5 primary elements. The first is the hook. This is meant to pull the learner in. The second is a limited number of take-home points, so as not to overwhelm the learner. The third is clear organization. The fourth is strategies for learner engagement and retention. And the fifth is a summary of the take-home points. The hook can be a thought-provoking question, case, or story. And the take-home point should always be limited in number, at most 3 take-home points in 5 minutes. These can be organized around the clinical presentation, the differential diagnosis, the diagnostics, management questions, or common pitfalls made by learners of different levels. Strategies for learner engagement and retention can vary from one teaching script to another, but effective methods include purposeful questioning to different levels of learners, or at planned moments in the script to emphasize or transition between teaching points. Visual aids, like simple anatomic drawings, EKGs, or radiographic images. Advanced organizers, like the dyspnea pyramid or pain ladder. And mnemonics. Finally, the take-home points should be summarized in concise phrases at the end. For example, here's our summary for this video. Every teaching script should have 5 elements. The first is the hook. The second, a limited number of take-home points. The third, clear organization. The fourth, strategies for learner engagement and retention. And the fifth, a summary, like this one. Creating teaching scripts with these tools does require you to invest time and effort on the front end, but trust us, the payoff is well worth it for you and your learners. To see an example of a concise teaching script using these tools, click this link. Or to get started on making your first teaching scripts, you can use this worksheet as a guide. Happy teaching!